Welcome to the next section of Visual Studio Code and Docker training. In this section, we're going to learn how to install the Docker extension and configure it. So go ahead and open up Visual Studio Code and you'll see there's a icon in the bottom left-hand corner. And let me just get my highlighter here. You can see this is right here. This is actually the marketplace icon and it actually looks like containers. So it gives you already an indicator where we want to go. So click on this icon and then you'll be presented with this extension marketplace. And so first we click on the extension marketplace. Next, we type the actual Docker into the search. And then third, you can then choose to install the Docker extension right here. So click install and you'll see that it has a star. And this star right here means it's official extension by Microsoft. And the other ones don't have it. So we know right away which extension we should install. You can also see how many downloads it has, 4.5 million. And this screenshot's already old, so they're kind of obscuring these numbers now, so you don't see exact numbers. But I like keeping this particular screenshot because you can see how adopted this extension is. So it's quite popular. So again, to install the Docker extension, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. Click the marketplace, 2, type Docker in the search, and then 3, click install on the official Docker extension. Once we have that, we can head over to the next section and we start interacting with the Docker extension. Join me in the next section.